What is up guys, done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Steam. So first you need to head over to your Steam application, and then on the right side you need to click on your profile and then click on visit my profile or view my profile. After that you just simply need to scroll down, and there you will see the option of account details. But if you can't see it there, again click on your profile and then click on account details. After that you just simply need to scroll down a bit again until you find the manage Steam guard. So here you will find it in the security and devices. After clicking on security and devices, if you haven't set any security, you will see the button to manage Steam guard. But if you can't see it, you basically have enabled some kind of security to your Steam. So click on this remove security, and then it will show you a page where you can update to get Steam guard codes from the Steam app. On my phone, you can just do this if you want to just verify and secure your Steam via your phone on the go. So you can just choose this, or you can just keep it like the normal security, like while you require to relog in whenever you come back to your Steam. So this is how you can enable a two-factor authentication on Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.